Hello everyone. After the equipment finish productions, we will prepare some kind of information, some manual and some of our video clips to deliver to our customer factory along with the equipment. First of all, we could see here is our operating instructions manual. Here contains a lot of important information to help you better know how to operate your machines, how to maintain your machines in a better way. You can see the functions of the machines easily in this book, and also will see some operating guidance in a very detailed way from this manual. Besides, you could also get some drawings and some circuit diagram from this manual too. This contains a lot of important and useful information for you to better operate your machine. And besides, you could see here this USB flash disk. It just contains a lot of videos that was shot by Huha colleagues. There were some of our colleagues will in the video to show you how to operate the machines step by step. Besides all of this, we also would offer some online teleco support for you to solve all kind of your problems when you encounter some problems in the future when you're operating your machine.